Hello, this is Moots at Trask. We're going to be doing an installation video on our Trask Assault 2-in-1 V-Rod exhaust system. We'll start by removing the stock exhaust or whatever aftermarket exhaust you may have. The kit comes supplied with new gaskets. Install new gaskets seated completely into the exhaust port on the front and rear heads. We're going to remove the pulley cover. It gives you easier access to the nuts on the rear head pipe. Again, we're going to put a piece of tape around this to protect the finish from the flange flopping around on there. Install the flanges onto the front and rear head pipe. We're going to install the clips on, retaining clips. A little bit of red Loctite. Our exhaust bracket, it comes with isolator grommets and 5/16 bolts with flat washers. So we use an isolator on the exhaust mount also, so it can all kind of move around together. Go ahead and install the front exhaust pipe into the head port. It's got studs on there, so slide the flange over the studs. Install your nuts. Don't tighten it down at this point. And install the rear pipe the same way. Slide into the port, get the nuts started, and just kind of snug, not tight at all. Next, we're going to grab our muffler, which has a wide fitting. Our head pipes have what's called a double slip fit on each, and you're just going to line those up and slide them into the head pipes simultaneously. You have to wiggle it a little bit, tap on the head pipe to make sure that it's seated all the way. You'll push that together until the muffler bungs line up with the bracket. A little bit of red Loctite. These are all 5/16 bolts, 24 foot-pounds of torque. Get those started. Just snug them down a little bit, and we'll go ahead and tighten those up, and then tighten up the head pipes into the exhaust ports. Plug your O2 sensors back in. A little bit of anti-seize on these. Twist them clockwise so that when you tighten them down, there is no twist in the wire. And when you thread it in, the wire will be in a neutral position. Whatever oil or fingerprints you may have on the pipe, make sure you wipe them off prior to running the bike. Order your Trask V-Rod Assault 2-in-1 pipe from traskperformance.com, or you can get it through your local drag specialties dealer.